Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil surface indicator of a Chevrolet Volt. This one comes from 2013, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, turn or press the ignition on. In this case, it's press the ignition on. All the lights are on. Then we're gonna use this button over here. This is a turn button and a press button. We're gonna find the oil indicator in the screen. And this one, it says 27% remaining oil life. Press it. Are you sure you want to reset? Turn it to yes. Press it again. And now it says 100% remaining oil life. This was an easy one. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.